Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from AstroPay to bank. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, if you possess a balance received from a partner platform or have received funds through a transfer or payment link, and you have the option to transfer it to your bank account. The process for doing this is straightforward and pretty easy. So just follow the steps that we'll be showing you. The first thing you need to do is you need to navigate yourself to the transfers option, and from there in the send money tab, up for either tap to a bank account or to a debit or credit card. Now choose the wallet from which you wish to withdraw, then specify the withdrawal amount and select the method available in your country. Now enter all necessary bank account details, and it's crucial to review the provided information as the request cannot be cancelled after submission. Now review the anticipated amount to be received and any applicable fees. Additionally, ensure you agree with the processing period. Now from there, confirm the transaction and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.